So we're gonna capture this. This is the owner right in here, so he's right there. And then we're gonna just kind of show his shop off a little bit. He's got this kind of Argentinian one. Pretty cool little space. So we got like Argentinian flag, tango. Maybe I'll let him talk about it a little bit, and I won't film too much without him, but he has a lot of this mate right here. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna kind of come in here, and then we're gonna go out and kind of show and talk to him a little bit. So so stay tuned for that. Hey, check it out, Macau 2023. Check out some more streets.
The first tea house Argentinian in Macau.
Yeah.
It's something new, you know?
Yeah.
Literally the other side of the world.
Yeah.
So, and I think it's a cool project. We are sharing some of our culture, and everything is handmade and fresh made by me.
Yeah.
So.
Oh, you make it all fresh yourself?
Yeah. The beef empanadas.
Beef empanadas?
Yeah, is what I do handmade. The pastry and the filler, the inside. And soon I will have traditional sweets from Argentina and the mate, right? The tea. Yeah, basically it's our national tea. So yeah, I'm promoting part of our culture.
I'm gonna get a beef empanada.
Yes, of course.
And I'll get some whatever mate tea you suggest.
Yes, the mate normally you can drink with hot water, cold water, or natural lemonade, handmade fresh by me also.
Cold. Natural lemonade as well?
Natural lemonade, cold water, hot water, or after if not, you have a small bottles, glass bottles of 250 ml. That is an infusion between yerba mate with guarana, that is an energetic fruit from the same area in Amazon.
I'm gonna try it.
Yeah, definitely.
So,
how they do?
Oh, okay, yeah.
So basically, we give this one to you. Okay. This one, I will put it here for now.
Pretty cool. So usually it's beef empanada, 45 mop right there. And then down here, what are these drinks right here at the bottom?
Yeah, so basically on the bottom is the infusion that I told you.
Yeah.
That is, let me put a bit lower the music. So basically the little bottles, glass bottles on the bottom, are the infusion of yerba mate with guarana. That is the energetic fruit from the same area, like north of Argentina, south of Brazil, some part of Paraguay, and it's an energetic fruit. So basically the infusion, mate, yerba mate with guarana.
What time do you usually close?
Normally during the week I'm 11 a.m. till 7 p.m. and during Saturdays and Sundays 11 till 8.
Pretty cool.
Yeah.
All right.
Let me serve you your empanada with a bit of chimichurri, handmade.
Yeah. Pretty cool. It smells amazing.
Ahí va. So here you have my friend.
All right.
As you can see in the napkin, this means in Spanish, thank you very much. Muchas gracias.
All right. And you got something, some like a lemonade mate drink?
Yes.
Gonna try that as well.
Yeah, of course.
That's really good. I like that spice, yeah. Just kind of show this in the light a little bit. There we go.
And I advise you, if you like, you can use the little pot to pour a bit inside the hole, and everything gonna drop inside.
Oh, okay.
It's gonna be good.
So let me try that out. So do a little sample here.
Yeah, a little bit. And enjoy, my friend.
Now we got it in there a little bit.
I prepare one of these one.
Okay.
Yeah. Like this, you can check how this works, what I'm promoting.
Yeah.
So basically, you have lemonade.
Yeah.
Handmade lemonade.
That looks good.
You want a bit of ice? Add some ice also?
Yeah. That was really good. Wow. So that's 45 mop. That's a really good deal. All right. So that right there is mate with like ice lemonade, and that's the mate right there. That's the
This is yerba mate.
Oh, okay.
So basically, this one is the yerba.
Yeah. Cool.
Yeah. So basically, what I will do, I will explain you now. I will put it here on the top.
Yeah.
And I will show you how this works. It has a little system, funny system, that make it a bit practical and allows the person to go and have your tea, fresh tea or hot tea, walking around the village. Meanwhile, you continue knowing the place around, you know.
Oh, okay,
walking. Yeah. So basically, you can, because this is a takeaway shop.
Yeah.
So basically, you can grab your mate. I give you everything set up. You have, in the yellow part, you have half liter of liquid. On the top, in this little blue cup, you have the herbs with the straw. Oh, and basically what I advise to everyone is that don't play with the straw much, because the straw have a filter on the bottom that is for don't suck the herbs when you drink. So if you play a bit like bubble tea, might get stuck.
Oh, okay.
Anything major will happen. Basically, you come back, I can change the straw for you, but it's to avoid that this happen, because if you are walking around Coloane village a bit far off the shop, you need to come back in here to change the straw.
Okay. Yeah.
So basically, it's to avoid that the issue. Pressing this handle right here, you put water by yourself on the top. You see?
Oh, okay. Yeah.
And here the tea is brewing itself.
Yeah.
And of course, when you brew a tea with cold, gonna lose the flavor a bit slower.
Yeah.
But as more you drink, more flavor you're gonna get. With hot water, the brewing is faster, as every tea. So change a bit the flavor because it's a bit stronger. The mate is a bitter tea. Of course, there is any sugar added in all of these drinks. So, but particularly mate is it's bitter. It's a bit bitter tea. But it's very healthy, have many properties, even more than the green tea.
Yeah.
So some of them is like contribute to the cardiovascular system, general immune defense, good for skin. It's a diuretic, antioxidant, have more antioxidants than the green tea. So basically, this is set up and ready to try, my friend.
All right.
If you want, you just sip through the straw and you let me know.
Tastes really good. Yeah, I can taste the yeah.
And you will see as more you drink, more flavor you're gonna start to get from the herbs.
So the herbs kind of how do they mix? How do the herbs and the lemonade?
Basically, every time that you pump in here, you are bringing the water up to the top. The brewing is created in this little cup.
Oh, okay.
So this is a cup, and here is a bottle of half liter.
Oh, okay.
Press strong, don't be afraid. Exactly.
Oh, I see it. Okay. Okay, so that's basically just push it, and then it comes right there. All right.
And here is doing the brewing.
Okay.
So basically, you can leave the straw set up like this, right?
Yeah.
And you can put more water if you need to do the brewing proper. Look, you can make it this little cup a bit more full.
Okay, so you really.
And after, you leave it for a while there for just a few seconds. It's helping to brew.
Yeah.
And after you drink, and when it's finished, you feel that there is not more liquid in the cup. You pump more.
Okay.
Yeah.
Cool. So maybe I can walk around with this and then just
Exactly.
okay.
You can continue having your own day, traveling around.
Yeah.
And after when you finish, we are promoting the recycling. That this is something important to communicate. We are promoting the recycling.
Yeah.
So either the small glass bottles, smallers that I showed you before,
Yeah.
and this bottle, we are asking to the client when you finish to bring it back and just place it in this box at the entrance.
Okay. Perfect. Then at nighttime you push it out if it's at 7 p.m.
Yeah. At the end of the day, I collect everything, I wash it up, I sterilize, and it's ready to be reusable.
Very cool. All right. Thank you, Papi.
Thank you, brother.
Very cool.
And good to see you.
Definitely good to see you as well.
It's a quite long time we don't see each other.
Very long time, yeah.
I was a little bit...
Here we go, one final part, very important.
Yes, one final part, that's something that I forgot, that actually between in Macau and Hong Kong and even China, is the first bar in Macau, tea house actually, but it's the first place that I'm bringing in Argentinian beer. So as you can see, some in here.
Let me just take a look, let me pull this out real quick. Here we go. Just kind of show you real quick. So there's one more. Let me grab this. Is a beer or tea? IPA. Cool.
Yeah. And in here, also Argentinian wine, Malbec.
Nice.
From Mendoza, the famous province of the wines in Argentina.
Yeah. Very cool.
This
Very
is it.
nice. All right, thank you, Poppy.
No worries.
Let's kind of show you, and then we're gonna talk to him in a second. So we got Maradona, we got all kinds of kind of cool stuff. Maté, so everything is probably from Argentina. Tango, it's kind of cool. We're gonna come out and talk to him in a second. Very cool. That hat right there. Che Guevara, Patagonia. Just gotta show you, see. We're gonna come out and talk to him in a second. So Amor Maté, so we're gonna show you where it's at as well. And then we're also gonna take a look at this one as well.
Hello.
Do you want to tell us about the shop?
My shop.
And we got this one as well. So they're right next to each other, so they're helping each other out. Can I bring the camera in?
Yeah, sure.
So this one we have little bolacha de coco. So we have different stuff like that. And these guys are neighbors with the Argentinian one. And this one has basically desserts, treats.
Traditional Chinese style cookies.
Traditional Chinese style cookies.
6 flavor.
Written in Portuguese. Pretty cool. And they also have some samples as well, right?
Yeah, do you want to try?
Oh, I just tried one.
Okay.
But those are really good. And they're fresh. So they're nice and fresh. So thank you. So these two shops are right next to each other. And we're just going to...
This is a small display of merchandise we sell. I'm selling Argentinian wine and beef empanadas.
So I'm going to come back. I'm just going to come down here a little bit and just kind of show...
So Argentina style empanadas.
I did try one. Should I try another one?
I always have another one.
Thank you. So this is from that shop right there.
Because my friend,
And this shop is this one, I believe. So we're going to come back in a second and we're going to talk to him a little bit. But we're just going to walk down it a little bit and just kind of show you. So that goes all the way to the waterfront. We'll just kind of give you a reference point to where it's at. So yeah, there's actually, I guess there's two shops right there. So one of them is the Argentinian one, and Poppy is the owner of that one. And then this one comes all the way up to the kind of this roundabout. And we're just going to highlight that real quick as well. And then we're going to come back there in a moment. But I just want to give you some reference of exactly where we are. So there's a roundabout here, which you can't really see because of the bus kind of blocked it. That's the street that we're on right there. And we're going to come around in a circle, just kind of show the waterfront, just to give you a little context of where we are exactly. Now you can see the roundabout. So this is kind of the rotunda, the roundabout for the small village of Coloane right here. And we're going to come back and see him in a second. Then we also have Lord Stowe's Bakery, which is across the street. So there's Lord Stowe's Bakery, Huade Tesara, and then we have the waterfront. So what we're going to do is kind of give you a little context of it, and we're going to come back and say hello to the Poppy. That's the health center of Coloane. The waterfront goes all the way down. There's actually like a little port all the way down there as well. Let me just see. So now we're on the waterfront. So just for reference for the Argentinian shop, it's not too far from the waterfront, it's not too far from the roundabout, and it's a street called like Business Street, Negocian. No, let's see, around this way. Whoops. It's called Negociantes. Who are they? Negociantes. And we're gonna head back on in there in a second, so we're just kind of going about. So pretty cool, good location. We'll sneak back in there. Lago de Bazaar. Yeah, Dos Amigos. So Dos Amigos is a reference point too. So basically if you see that, you're not too far away, and then we just kind of go right into the alleyways a little bit. And then that'll be where Papi's Argentina Maté place is at. Pretty cool little alleys everywhere. I'm gonna come back. I'm gonna come back and say hello. Hi, Papi. You wanna say anything? Hey, check out Macau 2023. Check out some more streets.